And to the field of play, defending champions Edwin Allen stayed on track to retain the Issa Ben Francis Cup when they easily dispatched overseas 3-0 in their semi-final encounter at Stets today. Edwin Allen wasted no time in asserting themselves as they opened the scoring as early as the second minute. Clayton Peck then made it 2-0 14 minutes later with this lovely strike. Alwyn Bryan then put the icing on the cake for Edwin Allen in the 48th, getting past his marker beautifully to cap off an impressive performance from the Clarendon-based school. Bang.
It's an overwhelming feeling, man. Elated, excited, but, you know, at the same time trying to be humble about it, because it's never easy to reach back to a finals, you know. Never easy. And to see these youngsters, you know, fight and reach here, you have to give them kudos, you know.
The game today was a tough one for us in terms of the defeat. We think the team could have done better in certain aspects of the game. We could have defended a little bit more sturdier. That didn't happen, but all season the guys have been putting out their effort, but today wasn't to be.
Meanwhile, many-time champions Glenmuir also booked their spot in the final with an easy 2-0 win over York Castle at Stets. And David Reid showed great pace to open the scoring, breaking the line of the York Castle defence to apply a composed finish in the 13th minute. 62nd, showing his goal-pouching ability, being in the right place at the right time to send Glenmuir cruising.
Well, it's a good feeling being in the final. This is just one step towards a bigger platform. For us, we did very well today, managing the conditions, managing the quality that the opponents have, and really managed to execute a good game plan and win the game.
Well, we were happy to be here. We thought we worked hard to get to a semi-final. We are very disappointed that we were unable to just mount that final hurdle and get to the final.
So Glenmuir will be looking to make it a magical 7 titles, while of course Edwin Allen will be hoping to win their second title, having won their first last season. The final will be played this Saturday at Stets, kickoff time 2 p.m. And Mount Pleasant were 3-1 winners over Tivoli Gardens in their rescheduled game at Drax Hall on Wednesday in the Jamaica Premier League. Ricardo Morris opened the scoring for Mount Pleasant in the 25th minute. 12 minutes later, it was 2-0 after Andre Fletcher fired home. And Diego McKenzie then sparked life into Tivoli, having the deficit in the 49th. However, Demario Phillips restored the 2-goal cushion in the 51st to give Mount Pleasant all 3 points.
Well, not the sort of performance we wanted, but the result is what matters. I think we missed a number of clear-cut opportunity this afternoon, but nonetheless, pleased with the 3 points.
I think today's game was one of them games that were very disappointing. We make some simple mistake, and as you can see, cost us the game today. But we just have to bounce back and come again Sunday.